Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Parmesan crusted Brussels sprouts. It's a new dish. My husband loves Brussels sprouts, so I figured I'd kick it up a notch. I've got not quite a half a cup of flour in one pan. I got egg and a little bit of water in this one. In the third pan, I have cornflake breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, a little salt, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. I've rinsed, I've cut my Brussels sprouts in half, rinsed them, took all the old leaves off of it, and they're like this. And we're going to, I got my oven at 400. I've sprayed my pan. We're going to coat these Brussels sprouts and bake them. So let's get to cooking. We're going to roll them in the flour. We're going to roll them in the egg. And then going to roll them in these breadcrumbs. And put them on a cookie sheet. I've breaded them. I'll put them on my cookie sheet that is sprayed with Pam. I've got my oven at 400, and I'm going to cook them for 25 minutes until they're golden brown. I've taken the Brussels sprouts out of the oven, and they are good and crunchy. Look at that, golden brown with crunch. We left them in there for 24 minutes, but I would start checking them at 20, somewhere around there. Depends on how crunchy you want them. And while they were cooking, I made a dipping sauce, a half a cup of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of, well, I use this one, sriracha sauce. I put 2 tablespoons of that in there, but you can use any one you like, but it gives a little kick. That's what you dip it in. I hope you like this video and this recipe, and it's real easy. It's great for a side dish, or it could be an appetizer, and you just bake it in the oven. It's just real easy, just a little bit of prep. That's all you have to do. Down in the comments, let me know what kind of appetizers y'all like during the holidays or family gatherings. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Recipes down in the description with a link to a printable recipe. I hope you like this video, and as always, God bless.